No, 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 no.
I'm okay. We'll see you. Thank you, yes. Good afternoon. Yes. Good afternoon.
Well, the fact is he's doing things that Nigeria needs to be able to do to correct its situation. If you don't correct the situation on fuel subsidy, you have a fiscal deficit that remains unsustainable. So he's trying to do all the right things. Now the question is, how do you navigate through the next few months so that you can set the economy on the right path for the future? As I discussed with him, Nigeria has to be an African champion. If Nigeria becomes an African champion, then we know that the African continent has a country, the largest country with the largest GDP, headed in the right direction. That's his vision, and that vision we share. And we talked about what was in his mind as priorities, and I commended him for a lot of the things he's doing early in his term. Not easy. Macro fiscal reforms and stability are very important. He's very determined to do the right thing, and I think you will find the World Bank supporting him with not just financial aid, but also with knowledge and thinking around how to create the right regulatory policies and fiscal policies. So we had a very good discussion. It ended very well.